Hey everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So friends, if this is your first time here, we would so love to have you. Our mission at Designing with Latisha McKinney is to inspire our audience with unique and signature designs to create unforgettable memories. So if you like what you see, we would love for you to subscribe and click that notification bell so every time we upload, you will be the first to know. Good evening, friends. First, let me apologize for the lighting. I'm just getting home, so therefore, remember this is a non-edit video, and I'm tired. I just came in from a long day. I know I do not have the candles up there because I'm gonna do something totally different. So I'm debating, should I do a DIY or a non-edit DIY? And you all can see, I hate saying guys, but you all can see I still have to clean the mantle off because of the glitter that come from the, what is those poinsettias and stuff like that. Tongue twisted. However, this is what it looks like thus far for the mantle. I am still not finished, everyone. And that love decal, I didn't do that. I got it from the Dollar Tree for only $1. It is very, very old, everyone, but believe it or not, I am nowhere near finished. I have a little bit more to do, and I want to keep my stuff up for even the winter. So that's why I'm just keeping everything pretty simple, and I want to keep it pretty simple and elegant. So, and you can see I got these ornaments. I'm going close. You see why I have these ornaments? I've had these ornaments for quite some time. There we go. I had these ornaments right here for quite some time, and so I'm placing in some more ornaments. And the ones that I got in the 2017 haul, I have those too, like on the coffee table and some other places. But I will show you guys the final reveal, but just let you all know what I'm working on. And I think these are so absolutely beautiful. Those are gorgeous. And remember, these right here, these poinsettias, I know I sound really tired, friends. I am, long day, but this is beautiful. So this is what it looks like thus far. You guys, I will get back with you. Thank you all for your loving support, and I will see you all in the next one. I have to get some rest. Bye.